Hey everyone, if you're running a business and wondering about Starling's bounce back loans, here's the important thing to know. So you can't actually apply for a new bounce back loan anymore. The scheme actually closed for new applications back in March 2021, but if you already have a bounce back loan with Starling, there's still some flexibility to help manage repayments. So that's where their pay as you grow options come in. So to use it, simply log into your Starling online banking account. From there, you then have to navigate to the Loans tab, and you'll then be able to see the pay as you go options. So there are going to be three main ways to ease repayment pressure. So you can take a payment holiday, pay only interest for 6 months, or extend your loan term up to 10 years. You can even combine these options depending on your needs. So for example, you could pause repayments for 6 months and later pay interest for only 6 months. This extends your loan term by a total of 12 months. But a few things to keep in mind, guys. Extending or pausing repayments will increase the total interest you pay over the life of the loan. But using pay as you grow won't affect your credit score. And it also won't stop you from applying for other finance in the future. So if you're managing a bounce back loan and need a bit of breathing room, logging into Starling online banking and exploring their pay as you grow option is a great way to go. So I really hope you found this insightful, and if you did, make sure to leave a like and of course subscribe. Then we'll see you on the next one.